In order to resolve the hospital bed crisis in the national capital, there was a meeting that was held between the Home Minister and Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal yesterday, after which the Home Minister announced that 500 coaches, railway coaches, will be given to the Delhi government to have more COVID beds. Now, we are outside the Anand Vihar railway station, and we just want to give you a look at what the Anand Vihar railway station will sort of look like. Right now, these are regular coaches that are parked over here on all of these tracks. Today, the trains are still functioning on Anand Vihar railway station. 3 trains are set to leave from here. But from tomorrow, all train movement will be stopped on Anand Vihar station. There will be no trains that will be going. Only those 7 platforms will be reserved. All of those platforms will be reserved for parking of those 500 coaches, which will have these COVID beds, and all kinds of medical facilities will also be available in all of these coaches. Now, this is a big decision that has come as a huge relief to the Delhi government, because they had decided that they would add close to 100 nursing homes, which would now be called COVID nursing homes. They would be dedicated to COVID treatment, and that would have led to an addition of about 5,000 beds. But now that the railway coaches have been given, the Delhi government will no longer be allocating these nursing homes, because these are small nursing homes, would have faced a lot of when it comes to the logistics of it, they would have faced a lot of issues in treatment of COVID patients. So that decision has been withdrawn, because the same number of beds, about 4,800 beds, will be available now to Delhi because of these railway coaches. So a big relief to the Delhi government, which is preparing itself for about 1 lakh cases by the end of this month, and a need of about 15,000 beds. They are adding hotels, banquet halls, and now railway coaches also, in order to have more hospital beds and be completely prepared to tackle COVID-19. In New Delhi, with camera person Sachin Gupta, this is Sukirti Trivedi for NDTV.